Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make subscript text in Outlook. So let's start it. At first open your Outlook document and make the subscript text is the H02 as select your text and going to the home menu option and click for the three dot option. Then click for subscript. Then again three dot option and click for the subscript. Then we show the make subscript in text in Outlook. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for